Hello, amazing learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventure. In this lesson, we will learn to spell and read words with a long vowel I sound. Come, spell and read with me. Repeat after me. Tie. T-I-E. Let's spell that again. T-I-E. Tie. Let's read the sentence. The tie is red. The tie is red. Lie. L-I-E. Let's spell the word one more time. L-I-E. Lie. Read the words after me. It is not good to lie. It is not good to lie. Bite. B-I-T-E. Let's say that again. B-I-T-E. Bite. Let's read the sentence. Jim takes a big bite. Jim takes a big bite. Kite. K-I-T-E. Let's spell that again. K-I-T-E. Kite. Read the words after me. Migs flies a kite. Migs flies a kite. White. W-H-I-T-E. Let's say that again. W-H-I-T-E. White. Let's read the sentence. Mom has a white dress. Mom has a white dress. Dine. D-I-N-E. Let's spell the word again. D-I-N-E. Dine. Let's read the sentence. The family dines together. The family dines together. Line. L-I-N-E. Let's say that again. L I N E. Line. Read the words after me. I can walk in a straight line. I can walk in a straight line. Mine. M I N E. Let's spell that again. M I N E. Mine. Let's read the sentence. He digs for gold in the mine. He digs for gold in the mine. 9. N I N E. Let's spell the word again. N I N E. 9. Let's read a sentence. There are 9 eggs in the tray. There are 9 eggs in the tray. Wine. W I N E. Let's say that again. W I N E. Wine. Let's read the sentence. Jane drinks wine. Jane drinks wine. Pine. P I N E. Let's spell the word again. P I N E. Pine. Let's read the sentence. The kids decorate the pine tree. The kids decorate the pine tree. Fire. F I R E. Let's say that again. F I R E. Fire. Read the words after me. The house is on fire. The house is on fire. Tire. T I R E. Let's spell the word one more time. T I R E. Tire. Read the sentence. The truck has huge tires. The truck has huge tires. Wire. W I R E. Let's spell the word again. W I R E. Wire. Read the words after me. The fence has barbed wires. The fence has barbed wires. Wide. W I D E. Let's say that again. W I D E. Wide. Let's read the sentence. The road is wide. The road is wide. Side. S I D E. Let's spell the word again. S I D E. Side. Let's read the sentence. The triangle has 3 sides. The triangle has 3 sides. Right. R I G H T. Let's spell the word one more time. R I G H T. Right. Read the words after me. Jake is the child on the right. Jake is the child on the right. Light. L I G H T. Let's spell the word again. L I G H T. Light. Let's read the sentence. This is a spotlight. This is a spotlight. Night. N I G H T. Let's spell the word again. N I G H T. Night. Read the words after me. The kid sleeps at night. The kid sleeps at night. Fight. F I G H T. Let's spell the word again. F I G H T. Fight. Read the words after me. The boys fight. The boys fight. Awesome job, children! You did it! Remember to always practice so you can read and spell well. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe.